30 years of war, alright? Okay, but anyways, I think that what's happening here is beautiful. We do our own open mics up in Minnesota, and there's so much energy here, so much talent, so much potential. So be proud of this community, man. This community's come a long way. So give it up. And so, like last year, I've been coming once a month to work with the community, and this year, this is my only week this time, but next year I'm probably going to be here a lot longer. But yeah, I just did a workshop earlier today, creative writing with some lyrics. Anybody from the workshop? Alright, so they got to create their own poetry and lyrics, so that's kind of what I do. It's important to give back to community, right? So for me, I grew up without any role models, anybody to look up to. So it's important for us to give back to the next generation. So I definitely encourage everybody here to do that too. But I'm gonna get up into my next song. All my songs are serious, so I'm just gonna explain a little bit about them. So this first song is, well, they call this type of music socially conscious music, where you're addressing issues in your community through hip-hop or through spoken word poetry. So this first one is about kind of dedication to people that live the gang life, and now that they're out of it, they kind of grew out of it, they turned their life around. So it's detailing that story about why we made that decision in the first place, and how do we live our life now that it's affected us. And a lot of us grew up in the 90s, and everybody that grew up in the 90s are like in their late 20s and 30s now. And so we're kind of growing up. So it's up to us to let the next generation know what we've been through. So you want to hit that? She's the next one. It's not this one. It's number 4.
They go record there to me.
Alright, let's just do a little call. When I say hip, you say hop. Hip, hop, hip, hop. When I say spoken, you say word. Spoken, word, spoken, word. When I say teller, you say tubbies. Teller, tubbies, teller, tubbies. It has nothing to do with anything, just throwing it out there. Alright, we're gonna get this started up. Just listen to the lyrics. It's about the words, poetry on beats, alright? Yo. If these were my last words before I die, I would look you in the eyes and never even lie. We were born refugees and raised by the streets. Cross over sidewalks, guns cocked on concrete. We grew up corrupt, like a part of a dog pound. Treated like animals, so we did what we had to do. People hated us in school, we had a brutal education. The other kids would say, go back to where you came from. They never knew we had no land to go back to. Beat us down to the ground, we became crooks. Pissed off with bad looks, got pushed to the edge. They spit in our faces, so we tasted the races. Trying to bring us down, and it's making us crazy. No one to look up to, we got each other's backs. Forced to bite back, gang banging's all we had. It's all we had. Yo. Gas blast got us pissed off with rage. Bullets and grave, 18 clans on my last name. Survived this country, now we killing each other off. Bandana rags over my mom's story call. Gas blast got us pissed off with rage. Bullets and grave, 18 clans on my last name. Survived this country, now we killing each other off. Bandana rags over my mom's story call. Yes, for my peoples. Yo, we rolling packs up in Civics and Camrys. Guns packed, gangster tracks, banging out back between Mo and America. Where two culture's class, run away from the cops and get shot in the back. Nowhere to belong and lost, chilling together. Sacrifice of this life, leave family severed. We fight over colors and tattoo affiliations. Breed fear and panic to New Year celebrations. Bleed loyalty to the streets we were raised in. Got clicks and clips, bamboo sticks and bricks. Just wanna respect, all we got was rejection. Wanted protection, loving each other was a lie. Staying alive, rivals with homicidal eyes. Why do we despise each other so much to die? This prison when every kid wants to be down. Grew up like older G's just to be buried underground. Gas blast got us pissed off with rage. Bullets engraved 18 clans of our last name. Survive this country, now we killing each other off. Bandana rags over my mom's story cloth. Gas blast got us pissed off with rage. Bullets engraved 18 clans of our last name. Survive this country, now we killing each other off. Bandana rags over my mom's story cloth. Pissed off with rage, bullets engraved 18 clans of our last name. Survive this country, now we killing each other off. Bandana rags over from our story cloth. Yeah, I did some interviews with a couple people up here about their experience. So got locked up with rags hanging out of pockets. Kids chose their gangbang or breakdance, rocking it. 30 years of hip-hop, 30 years since arrival for us. True to the music, we use it to influence, rising up. There has been music to rap about guns, killing sons. MCs are the remedy. To be the voice, the choice, the change. Speak up and spit out the drama. Gotta be down for life. I had to turn my life around, believe me. It wasn't easy to leave, needed for peace. Till I saw my people in the jungle begging our knees. To the death, had to find reckoning until this day. Killing each other, another way, erasing our race. Till I die, rapping my people, culture and history. It was stronger than the bond the gangs had to be. Hands in the air, throw my gang sign into a fist. Never let them break us down again, we gotta resist. Gas blast got us pissed off with rage. Bullets engraved 18 clans of our last name. Survive this country, now we killing each other off. Bandana rags over on our story cloth. Gas blast got us pissed off with rage. Bullets engraved 18 clans of our last name. Survive this country, now we killing each other off. Bandana rags over on our story cloth. Yeah, special dedication to those that just got locked up and they're out trying to change their life right now.